You need to see the pectoralis. You need to see the triceps femoris, sartorius, gracilis major, as well as the rectus abdominis, which is this thing here. Okay? That's all you need, okay? We're gonna go inside here so you can see the internal structures now. There's already a cut in these because you had injections, although I'm still not quite sure why we got injected ones. Okay. Okay. You are responsible for both male and female in this organism, so make sure you see both the male and female frogs for the dissection.
We cut straight up.
So you're going to cut down the middle, and then cut on the side here, okay, to make flaps.
Did anyone ever ask the frog?
Did you just cut them off? Flaps?
Yeah, you can put them off.
Why don't you make one big flap? Why a bunch of small ones?
I'm sorry?
Why don't you just make one big flap like the fish? Instead
Cut
of
it right off, you're saying? Because I was going to I'm peeling this back. So that what a wonderful song, thank you guys.
Guys are all really in tune. In tune.
Lighten up the somber.
Somber? What are you talking
into
about?
Everyone was so depressed before.
It's literally 1 o'clock right now.
I mean, everyone's still kind of...
1 o'clock?
Because it's just taking somewhere.
It's 9:45.
We're still past my bedtime.
Oh, it's not
Those
9:45
slides
already.
killed everything.
Nice.
What's the third thing this place is?
Whoa.
Looks like
Is that an
noodles and, like,
intestine?
conditioned
It's so
soup.
tubular. Like,
This thing now.
no, not saying the right here. Totally tubular. Like right here.
They're like it's like
See
traditional
this?
soup noodles.
Yeah.
You mean the
what is it?
ramen? You mean the oviducts?
That's the oviduct?
That was last supper.
Like everything else is like it's kind of squished in. It's like very clear.
Okay. All right, guys, let's try and make this clear. Okay. So
That's definitely
Let's-
intestine, not even a question.
the yellow things? Nope. Nice try though.
The red things are the intestines, right?
Okay.
Red's intestine.
Wow, check out that liver.
Okay. Yes. Let's go to the open one. Okay.
It's the fat.
The yellow things are fat bodies. Okay. Excuse me. These are this is all part of the liver. There are multiple lobes of the liver.
The black stuff.
The black is all liver. You can see multiple lobes. All that is
median. And,
okay. You don't need to know the individual lobes. Just know that it's liver. Okay. Here's liver. Okay. Stomach.
Tummy.
Okay. Following the stomach, you've got the intestines. Okay. You can see the mesenteries now very clearly. Okay, these are holding the intestines in place. Okay, there's a lot of blood vessels in there because intestines are absorbing nutrients, so they're going into the blood system. There's tons and tons of blood vessels there. Okay. This is a female frog. This is a female frog. These are ovaries. These are
just spaghetti.
No,
okay.
the spotted things. Right?
These things are ovaries, the spotted. This is oviduct. Okay. This is, hold on a second. This is the rectum. Okay. And it's going into the, that's going into the one opening, the cloaca. Okay. Let's see if we can find it.
Is the
It's a great view right here.
Cloaca is where we get everything coming out of, essentially. I don't see it here. We're gonna move on from that for the moment. Okay. Okay. Let's see what else. I want to show you guys the spleen. Okay. I don't know why we got injected ones. These are not as clear. Okay. Hold on a second.
Do we know the difference between small and large?
Is it between the intestine and
Not
the
on this
stomach?
one.
In this case, is it between the intestine and the stomach? Like
Actually, yeah, you could tell the difference between the small and large intestine pretty easily.
I'm saying like
Small one is large.
right.
Thank you for that wonderful insight.
So where's the large one versus?
Okay, this is the small intestine, the one that's wrapped around with the mesenteries. And if we follow it, it gets to the large intestine. I called this rectum before. It's actually, sorry about that, large intestine and the cloaca. Okay.
Cloaca?
Cloaca is the opening at the other end where everything comes out of.
I see.
There's
You
What?
Put it out again.
I mean, I'm showing you from the inside, the bottom of the large intestine.
Okay.
Okay, and you'll see. Let's see if we can find the bladder and the lungs and heart.
Take the video.
I'm trying.
Right here, dude.
This is the worst. I'm never taking a video again.
Okay, here is a lung.
Alright, Aaron gets who's cutting this up.
Miriam.
Where's the lung?
Give me a second. Okay.
Give me a second, James. To get my story straight.
Which the red thing is the
Okay, I'm gonna take out the. I'm gonna take the not the kidney, the liver out, just because.
Liver's quite large.
That's the heart. I see it right there.
Okay, and you'll be able to see the. How many chambers does the frog heart have?
Three.
Very
Because the water, I mean the
Three.
air, blood gets mixed with the other one, the non-oxidized blood, because it sucks.
Oxygenated and non-oxygenated.
Yes. Okay, so we got
I mean, if you
the heart here.
you die. So.
The heart here. You can see this is the heart. Okay, that's the heart, and we've got the lungs. 1 and 2.
Oh, it's so tiny.
Over the heart.
Okay,
That one. They're holding on to that.
this is going to be. Did I just call it shit? We have to erase that video.
Yeah, that's the heart. The one that.
Yeah, we have to erase that video. There's totally wrong. I'm like sitting here looking at this. I'm like, no, that's not the heart.
Slip over.
Yeah, we need to not have that
What is
going
that?
out.
Wait, what did you call
All part of that was the esophagus.
That's the heart. That pink thing.
This thing is the this
That's
thing
what I
is the
said.
heart.
Yeah.
This is the heart. These are the lungs, and this is the esophagus. That's very
Wait,
embarrassing.
I can't. You can't see in the video. Okay, can you point it out?
Heart,
Yeah.
lungs, the brown sac here
Okay.
and here,
Yeah.
and the esophagus.
Okay.
Classic mix-up.
We are going to ask for not latex injected next time, because this is just like a mess.
It does look veiny. Like
Esophagus is huge.
Okay. Now, what else do we need to find for you guys? I want to find the pancreas, the spleen, and okay, I want to find the pancreas and the spleen. Okay.
It's my high school shit.
Fat bodies. What are fat bodies? They just store fat.
Mm-hmm.
Really?
I know where you live.
So energy, just fat people are energy storers, basically.
Okay, here's the spleen. This ball right here.
Right.
That's
Okay.
attached to.
Mesentery.
Okay, this is the spleen,
Chilling.
I can't see.
and then
What is it? Can't see.
It's
this
the big
this
raisin.
thing right there.
Can't see.
what's it? Raisin.
What's
it called again?
This is spleen.
I'm sure it's like-
Spleen.
So I can't see it.
Okay.
Because his hand is in the way.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay, now what you see here.
Intestinize.
Grabs the nutrients out of the digestive.
But what Eric Hakim pointed out to me in one of the videos we were looking at before the
Why did we get injected?
practical, the crayfish stomach has.
Okay, this thing right here
It's a bladder?
is the bladder. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay, what else do I have to show you? I showed you the spleen, pancreas, and kidneys. Okay. It's part of the small intestine.
You're O? Are you serious? Are you a universal donor?
No, O negative's not universal. Yo, O negative's not universal donor.
O negative is a universal donor.
O negative? What about, I thought O positive.
But then you have RH factors. What is an A negative person going to do with RH factors?
I don't know. So O both
O negative.
O's? Both
O
O's?
negative. O negative is the universal donor.
What's O positive?
Just blood.
It's also kind of a universal builder. It just doesn't go any
Okay, guys, we're not gonna find this. We're not gonna find the pancreas in here. It looks like it's covered in
You don't gotta know.
latex. You do have to know it. I'm just not gonna be able to find it in here for you. We'll have to do it in the review session. I'm gonna try and get other frogs.
Oh, just the piece fell
I
out,
know.
really?
All right, guys.
It's like sharp shards.
Let's go through the chicken quickly, and then I'll.